Hello viewers, in this video we will study how fatal is appendicitis. So you should first have the knowledge what the appendicitis is. Appendicitis is inflammation of your appendix. Appendicitis is when the appendix gets blocked and becomes infected. Now what is the appendix? The appendix is a small organ attached to the large intestine in the lower right side of the belly. The appendix contains a particular type of tissue associated with the lymphatic system, which carries the white blood cells needed to fight infections. Appendix protects a collection of beneficial gut bacteria when certain diseases wipe them out from elsewhere in the GI tract. Once the immune system has rid the body of the infection, the bacteria emerge from the appendix biofilm and recolonize the gut. What causes appendicitis? When the appendix gets blocked, too much bacteria can grow and cause an infection. Some of the things that might block the appendix are hard, rock-like stool, poop, swollen lymph nodes in the intestines, parasites and other infections. What are the signs and symptoms of appendicitis? Strong pain, mainly around the belly button or in the lower right part of the belly. Low-grade fever. Loss of appetite. Nausea, feeling sick, and vomiting, throwing up. Diarrhea, especially small amounts, with mucus. Swollen belly. If pain spreads across the belly, it may mean the appendix has burst. Doctors call this ruptured appendicitis, and it's serious. A high fever reaching 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, is another sign of a burst appendix. This ultimately leads to death. Thanks for watching.